Hi everyone, I wanted to record a video that's going to help you in this crisis. One of the things that I've been trying to do is help my parents out because my parents, they can't go out at the moment because of this virus. So I wanted to find a way where we could, as a family, understand what the shopping needs were for my parents. So what I've done is I've created this video to help you out with this by using the app Apple Notes. It's great for sharing a shopping list where all the family can know what is actually needed. So what I'm going to show you is how you can use Apple Notes to create a shared shopping list. So I've gone into Apple Notes and I've created a shopping list, and this is something that I know my parents would need. So this is the ability to have that shared shopping list. So if your parents can't actually go out and do any shopping, you can share it with members of your family and they will then be able to go and do the shopping for them. So in this case, this is my parents' shopping list. Now what I need to do is I need to share this with members of my family. So tap the Add People button, then tap Add People, and then you want to go to Messages. Then you can invite the people that you want to share this note with. But you may want to share it with your parents or your siblings, so you've all got the same shopping list. So that's then going to be sent. We send that, and then both are going to get a message. Both saying a message, both messages there, one message, and tap those messages and open the shared notes. Okay, so there is the family shopping list. Now, I'm out going buying the shopping for my parents. So as I do that, I tick off all of the shopping. So if this is shared with my parents, they will then be able to see immediately that I've purchased the necessary things. So you can see that all of the items have now been updated. Now, my mum then says to me, okay, all right, so I've run out of milk, so let's untick milk. I've run out of eggs, untick eggs, and I've run out of bread. So to that shared shopping list, all of the other shopping lists on those shared devices will also update. And you can see that happening now. So there you go. All of those items have now synced. So whoever goes shopping next, they will go to their shopping list. So I might tick it on this one. So this might be my brother's, and my brother might say, okay, I've now got the milk and the eggs and the bread. Then mum would know, okay, all of those Apple Notes have been synced. So that's how you create a shared shopping list for your family. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.